Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about the testing of switch. Okay, so first we will test whether the hierarchical network is followed or not. How many switches? We need six switches. Then four basic configuration. Then VLAN BTPs we'll test. Then Telnet two switches. Okay, so I'll go here. Hierarchical network in switches means we have three layers. Core layer switch, which is connected to router, which can help in routing. Okay. Then you have distribution layer, which is in between core layer and access layer. Access layer switch is the switch where we will connect end devices, end devices like computers, servers, laptops, mobile device, all devices connected to access layer switch. In between access and core, we have distribution layer. How many switches we have? One, two, three, four, five, six switches in each branch. Okay. Now basic configuration I'm going to test in head office switch. Okay. Okay, you can test anywhere, but I am just testing in the which one head office. Okay, switch one. So first thing when I open the switch in the configuration CLI mode. Okay, so first thing is unauthorized access is prohibited. This is a banner message done. So first one. Then we have console password. I gave Cisco as the console password. Enter. Now third one is host name done. Now I have to try enable. So secret password I gave here is Cisco 123. Also done. Now show run. I can see I didn't enable service password encryption. You can enable, but I didn't do. Okay, hostname is there. Enable secret password is converted to secret form. Enable password Cisco. Why it is shown Cisco? Because I didn't give this command. Service password encryption. If you give means all passwords will become this. Enable password Cisco also will become encrypted number. I didn't give that. Okay. So first one hostname, then enable secret password, enable password. Third one, then what I gave banner message are given, unauthorized access prohibited. Console password also I have given. Okay, so more than four, six I have given. Done. Now what's next? Basic configuration done. Now VLAN BTP. So first thing VLANs. Okay, what is VLAN? I already discussed. No, virtual LAN, a logical segmentation of switch into many networks. So inside the switch itself, we have different networks. Okay, so like in a department, we have different sections. Each section want to communicate with the employees in their section. Okay, so we need different VLAN. So here I have created VLAN, and here one more thing, we can create VLAN in all switches, but to avoid that duplication, no, what I will do, I configure a protocol called as VTP. When you configure the VTP, one switch will become VTP server, others will become VTP client, and they all share a common VTP domain, then VTP password, VTP version. And after configuring the VTPs in all switches, okay, when I create VLANs in head office switch or VTP server switch, all other VTP client switch will receive VLAN. They don't want to create VLAN again. The VLAN created in VTP server switch will share the VLANs to all other switches. Okay. So first I will show you what is VTP. I'll go here, check the status of VTP here. Show VTP status. See, the version is still run one. Okay, domain name zohar.com. Then we have VTP mode server. Maximum VLAN support 255. Number of existing VLAN 9. Configuration division 14. Okay, so this is for VTP status of server switch. Okay, now I'll go for the password. Show VTP password Cisco. Now I'll go to another switch here. Okay, SO4. Let me check the VTP status here. Sorry. Show VTP status. See, they are clients. Okay, remaining all same, but they are clients. Path also same. Now, Mr. Why we have 9 VLANs here? Okay, so I will first check the VLANs. Okay, how do we check the VLAN details? Show VLAN BR VLAN brief. I could see only VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. I created only 4 VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. But how you are getting 9? Because default VLANs are there. So VLAN 1 default will appear. Then we have 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. They're already there. So one, two, three, four, five, then six, seven, eight, nine. Nine VLANs here. That's why in that the number of existing VLAN 14. So why that configuration division number increased? Okay. See, whenever you delete or add a VLAN or delete a VLAN, this number will change. Okay. See, I'm going to add a new VLAN in this head office switch. Okay. See what happens. Configure space T. Say VLAN. Say I'm going to put some number. Say 79. Okay. Name of VLAN testing. Now after that, what I will do, I will check the VTP status now. It is 10. Now the revision number changed. Okay, this revision number changed because of adding and deleting VLAN. Okay, now go here, check what happened here. Show VLAN BR. It was 14 revision and the existing VLAN was 19. I didn't do anything in here. I did only in the head office switch, but see what changes happen in branch. Sorry, I did in head office switch 1. Now what happens in head office switch 4? Let's check. Not this one. Okay, see 79 testing has come here. I didn't create here, but I created in the head office switch, that is VTP server switch. It passed all VLAN information. Now I get try that show VTP status. Let's see. It is 10 now, and the number, it was configuration division 14, now become 16 because I did some VLAN configuration, deleted or added. It got 16 now. Okay, I'll go back and delete that. How do we delete that VLAN? Configuration mode. No, my keyboard has issue. Okay, VLAN 79. Done. Okay. Now, can I create a VLAN in a switch other than VTP server? I told you VTP server switch can only create VLANs, but other switches can't do. I'll go to this switch and try. Head office switch where I'll try to create a VLAN. Let's see whether it allowed or not. Okay. Enable. Okay. Configure VLAN say 78. See, VTP VLAN configuration not allowed when device in client mode. This switch is in VTP client mode, so that they cannot create VLAN, they cannot delete VLAN, just they can receive the VLAN from other switch, that is VTP server switch. Okay. See why? Because we checked the VTP status. VTP status. See, my keyboard is having issue. That's why. So VTP status. Not in show configuration mode. Okay, what I will do, I have to go back to uh, hash mode, or I'll put do in front of this. Do show VTP status. You can see it is client, so I cannot create a VLAN here. Okay, just I can receive the VLAN from VTP server switch. Okay, that is VLAN VTP. After that, telnet to the switches. Okay, so here before that I want to tell that no, what are the VLANs we have. So this one, I'll open this switch and tell you how many VLANs we have. Show VLAN brief. It's a command to test. Okay. VLAN 10 is IT. VLAN 20 HR. VLAN 30 FIN. VLAN 14 management. Okay. So what is my management IP? So show. How do I check the management VLAN IP? Show IP INT BR. When I check this, I could see my VLAN 40 managed IP is 192.168.162. Okay. Now I want to telnet from any computer to this switch. Okay. Like we did in router. Go to telnet. Okay. IP address of that switch is 192.168.12.162. Okay. So open unauthorized access prohibited in that banner message. Then the password you should give is not console password. You should give telnet password. In this switch, the telnet password is Sohar123. Let me try. Yes. Now enable. Secret password is Cisco123. Now you want to change anything in the switch. I will go here and go to configuration mode, host name, head S1 I put. Okay, like this I put. Now I exited. Okay, let me try. I didn't save, but let's try. Okay, what was the password? Cisco. Okay, what was the password? Cisco 123. No, actually, I have to try in the switch. No, forget. Okay. Now see the name of switch HOS1 becomes head S1 because I tried from the PC. I telneted the switch like here where we telnet to switch, then open the console, then give the password. Telnet, sorry, open that switch telnet prompt. Then I give the telnet password. Then enable secret password. Then try that hostname command. Then change the hostname of switch. Then exit. Okay, that's what we have discussed in this video. So